I still can't believe how much younger my eyes look. Just last month I had deep lines that no amount of makeup could hide. My puffy bags made me look worn out even after sleeping all night. But after trying this new technique, my friends think I had an eye lift. These changes happened so fast I didn't believe it myself at first. But in a few short weeks, this new skin unifying technique smoothed out my stubborn crow's feet and under eye wrinkles, lifted and tightened my saggy eye bags, and faded those dark circles that even my expensive concealers couldn't help. And here's the best part. You don't need any painful Botox shots, harsh peels, or costly spa visits. It's all thanks to this new eye rejuvenating method I tried from Opal Beauty. In a moment, I'll play the video that shows exactly how it works. It's from Dr. Blaine Schilling, the brains behind this breakthrough. He explains how they created this technique after finding a hidden problem in your skin that's one of the major
serum for just $49 a bottle. That's a 67% discount instantly applied to your purchase today just for watching. And it gets better because I want to offer you an even bigger discount when you stock up. When you choose to invest in our 180-day supply, I'm going to give you an additional discount on top of today's already reduced price. However, this special discount is available through this page only. So go ahead and click the button on this page now to take advantage of this special promotion before supplies run out. As I record this video, we only have 2,000 bottles in stock, and we know they'll move incredibly fast. Our last batch sold out in just 72 hours, leaving many women disappointed. I don't want that to happen to you. If you want to secure your supply of Unity Eye Serum, I urge you to act now. And to make this decision even easier for you, we're backing every purchase with our 6-month money-back guarantee. That means you have a full 6 months to try Unity Eye Serum on a trial basis and see the results for yourself. And if you're not absolutely thrilled with the transformation taking place around your eyes, or if there's any reason at all that you don't feel completely satisfied and excited looking in the mirror, simply email us at support@tryopal.com and we'll refund every penny, no questions asked. Here's how to order. Simply click the button below to choose your package. We offer 1 month, 2 month, and 3 month supply options. The 3-month supply gives you incredible value at just $39 per bottle. Many customers choose that option because you essentially get 3 bottles for free at that price, and it ensures that you'll see continuing results without having to worry about running out, then having to wait as we prepare the next batch a few months down the road. It took us 3 months to have this batch produced. We're trying our best to make this process faster, but because supply chains are still constrained, we can only do so much. So once we sell out, it will likely take time to produce it again. So go ahead and choose your package right now if you want to secure your supply. The last thing I want to happen is that you decide to give it a try a week from now, but when you come back, you find those dreaded words, out of stock, or the frustrations of deciding to try just 1 bottle today, and you apply it diligently, and day by day you watch as your eye area transforms. The wrinkles soften, the dark circles fade, and that youthful glow returns. You're thrilled. But as you reach for your nearly empty bottle, ready to order more, you discover that we're on back order. Now you're faced with weeks or even months of waiting. That's a regret that I want to help you avoid. That's why I'm urging you to click the button below right now and secure your supply of Unity Eye Serum and choose the package that's right for you. Remember, Unity Eye Serum is the only product that directly targets one of the major causes of eye aging by unifying the separation between your top and bottom layer of skin. This means you're not just covering up wrinkles or concealing dark circles, you're actually re-strengthening the underlying structure that causes them in the first place. There's simply no other product as complete as Unity Eye Serum. It doesn't just mask your aging eyes, it transforms them from the inside out. So please click the button below to get your order started right now, because if you're still here, then I know you're interested. So here are your 2 options. Option 1 is, well, keep doing what you're doing. And if you're happy with your current eye care routine, then I really can't argue with you. But chances are you're not happy with your routine or your skin. If you're still here, you're spending too much on too many products that only treat the surface, and the wrinkles, the sagging, and the other signs of aging just keep getting worse. I've seen it time and time again. Millions of women find their eye wrinkles continue to get deeper, their dark circles more pronounced, and their eye bags more noticeable. Their skin keeps betraying them, sagging and looking worse with every passing year. And until today, the only way to fix that was to spend thousands of dollars on overpriced products or painful invasive treatments that only provided temporary results. But today, there's another option. Give Unity Eye Serum a try. It's the only product that brings your separated skin layers back together, addressing the root cause of eye aging, and it's a difference you'll notice in as little as 14 days from now. This can be your time, your moment to put your eye area first, to say, yes, I'm ready to start looking like myself again. forget, to have eyes that reflect the youthful energy you feel on the inside. It's your time to radiate with a smooth, bright eye area every time you step out of the house. To go from feeling self-conscious about your tired-looking eyes to confidently meeting everyone's gaze. You know you deserve to have eyes that look as young and as vibrant as you feel. It's time to smooth out those crow's feet and fine lines. It's time to lift those sagging eye bags and brighten those dark circles. It's time for your eyes to look gorgeous again. Just give our new Unity Eye Serum a try. Remember, you're covered by our 6-month purchase protection. And when you order today, you'll save 74% off the standard pricing when you choose our best value package. So I think you know what you need to do now. Just click on the button below and choose your Unity Eye Serum package to get started. Thanks again for being here. I'm Dr. Blaine Schilling. For me and everyone on the Opal Beauty team, we can't wait to have you join us and experience the transformative power of Unity Eye Serum.